All right. Let's see what we got from Temu. Let's check it out. Now, this is not a sponsored video because Temu has gotten kind of crazy with, I don't know what they're doing. This is what I think it is. I forgot I ordered this and just ordered another one. Not this, but I'm gonna show y'all. So this is a shower scrubber. I told y'all that I have a stand-up shower and I'm just trying to master getting it clean and getting into places that I can't get. I have the rechargeable shower scrubber, but it is heavy and it's hard for me to get all the way to the top of the shower. So I feel like this will help me get to the top parts of the shower with the shower scrubber. So we're gonna test that out. Oh my God, this is what I'm talking about. I ordered the bling seat cover and I just ordered another one. Forgot I ordered it. Forgot I ordered it. It's okay. I'll put this on the passenger seat. They only sent me one. And I don't know why they sell these darn seat covers as one seat cover when front car seats come with 2 seats. Car seats come with 2 seats on period. Like, even Amazon and AliExpress, when I was looking for these, you get one freaking seat cover. One seat cover. It comes with, the car has 2 front seats. So, I'm not too mad. I'm pretty sure this one was cheaper than the one I just ordered. So, I'll put this on the passenger seat. And the one I just ordered, I'll put on my seat. I got some nail stickers. Actually, it says it can go on the nails. It can go on your phone. It can go on your cup. It can go on your face, like as makeup if you were doing like a decorative look. Look at that. If you was doing like a decorative look, that's pretty neat. I know that I got these for my nails though, so I'm going to put these with my nail stuff. And these I'm super excited for because these I ordered from Amazon and they got lost. They got lost and Amazon had to give me my money back. So let me show y'all what these are. So this is for when I mop the floor. I got 2 of them. So they're really good for when you mop the floor. So I know a lot of people use socks. And I was one of those people that use socks too as well. But, oh shoot. Hey y'all. How y'all doing? How you doing? I forgot about y'all. Okay. I was one of, come on thing. Those people that use socks as well. But when I saw those, I wanted to try them. And it'll keep me from using my socks. But you put them on while you mop. And it just helps like. Sometimes I'll forget and I still have my bedroom shoes on. And then when I step back over somewhere that I mopped, it leaves a footprint. It's just a mess. So I do use socks, but these were really cute and I wanted to try them. So we're going to try them out. We're going to mop the floor. We're going to try them out. And let's see what this is doing. Let's see what this is about. Hold on. All right, here we are. And see my husband's messy shelf and mine. So I want to be, this shower is so long. So, yeah, I can reach, okay, I can reach the top. I can stand in here and reach the top. All right, so I can clean the shower. So this is really lightweight. And so it's going to allow me to be able to get to the top of the shower with no problems. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to paint this shower soon. That's going to be my special project, is to paint this shower, because whoever lived here before, this is pink. I don't know if y'all can tell, this is pink. And while I absolutely adore pink, I don't want no darn pink shower. So I am going to paint this shower, but I still wanted something that I can reach the top to clean with. It's a stand-up shower, and it is tall. It is tall. Tall. So, and that's not dirt, that's black grout. Don't y'all make me slap y'all. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna use it to clean the shower. I might even use it today to clean the shower, because my arms get so tired using the heavy thing that I have now to clean the shower. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out today. It's lightweight, it's just a little stick thing, and I can get all the way up in the shower. So super excited for that, and we will try out the shoes.
Hi, Layla. Hi, Emily. Ooh, ice cream. Ooh, brain freeze. Square up, square up, square up. Ooh, pepper. Hi, Layla. Hi, Emily. Ooh, ice cream. Ooh, brain freeze. Square up, square up, square up.
Hot dog, Lizzie. Reset. Ice cream. Ice cream. No lightning. No. No lightning. No. Ice cream. Hello. A rose for me. Thank you. Thank you for the roses. The world. The world. Chili's hot.
Y'all telling me this what the hell I got to do?
Ice cream.
Hold on, hold on.
You shocked me. I'm a good gobbler. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I love you too. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Hello, hello. Thank you for the roses. Roses are my favorite. Oh my gosh, you shocked me.
Y'all telling me this what I got to do?
Thank you for the roses.
This is what this world is coming to?
Lizzie Gobbler.
You got to freaking embarrass yourself and act like a freaking idiot.
Corn, so good. Fire, fire, fire. Oh my gosh, fire bad. No fire, Jose. Oh, too spicy, too spicy. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the share.
I'm done. I'm done.
They're sneaking in. Hey, 12, 13, where y'all going? Bring them bags over here. Bring them bags over here, baby. Bring them bags over here. Gonna make you.
So hey guys, this is Jazz in the Gardens, or what one of my cities calls Jazz in the Gardens. You come out, bring your lawn chairs, bring your drinks. They did have vendors out there, as I tried to show y'all some of the vendors. But you can bring your own drinks. You can bring food. You don't have to buy their food. So we just went out there and sat out there for a little while and had a good time. It was from 4 to 10, but since it got rained out in the beginning, they actually did not leave till a lot later, after 10 o'clock. But we went out, we had a good time just sitting there chilling out. It was hot. That was the worst thing about it. But I had my little fans that I ordered from Amazon to give me a little bit of a breeze, because it was muggy. It was hot and it was muggy. And if you didn't have a little fan, baby, because there was no wind blowing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the short clips and the blog. See you next time.